protector, carries a shield and a sword to protect Radharani. He becomes her servant of the queen. And then Radha Gokulananda, different temples in Vrindavan, they celebrate this pastime by dressing the deities like that. You can read something about the beauty of Radharani, her beautiful form. Prabhupada makes one quote. He says that, this is from one lecture, he says if one is attracted by the beauty of Srimati Radharani, then he's no longer attracted by the beauty of this material world. He says Radha and Krishna are so beautiful that if one can be attracted by their beauty, he says Radha and Krishna, and then he says, if one can be attracted by the beauty of Srimati Radharani, then he can give up all his attraction to the material energy. And then he cites the example from Mukundamala Stotra, Jamunacharya. When one is attracted by the transcendental beauty of Radha and Krishna, he is no longer attracted by feminine beauty or masculine beauty. That is the special significance of Radha and Krishna worship. That is testified to by Yamunacharya, who said, since I have become attracted by the beauty of Radha and Krishna, when there is attraction for woman or the memory of sex life with woman, I at once spit on the thought and turn my face in disgust. That's his quote. It's in Mukundamala Stotra. When we are attracted by Madan Mohan and the beauty of Krishna and his consorts, then the shackles of conditioned life, namely the beauty of a material woman or man, cannot attract us. So the beauty of Radharani is described in various shastras, specifically in the Radha Krishna Ganidesh Deepika.